Morning guys, so I'll give you a quick update. What's happening out on site at the new headquarters. It's coming along really nicely. Won't be long and it should start looking like that. All the steel's now up, columns are going in, little lift shaft, lift cores in, plumbing's going in, subgrade in factory 1 is going in. Our big awning's in, which will be awesome for the boys. First time for everything this morning. Donnie's offered to take me up in a boom.
Hanging on, mate.
Have a look around site. The retaining wall is going in now and getting finished off. Tenancy 2 steelwork is getting finished off. Retaining wall is almost done. That's it for now. We'll update you next time when the concrete goes down and the office is in.